Now here they ask a value of a and b, right? A and b. This is a kind of question sometime we will get, not that much rarely, but yeah, then we will get sometime, we will not get idea what to do here, right? Keep mind, this is we learned for the quadratic equation like this, in this format. This is here normally we have 0. This quadratic expression we can make into another format like this way. In this format normally we call complete in square, right? We try to make complete square here like that. Now I will not try to discuss this depth, with the whole theory like that. I need to show you how to do this question, this type of question. Now just no, in the future video I will explain this thing with details, but here how to do this question, right? Basic idea. Now this kind of expression, this is quadratic expression, you can make this way, right? This way, this format thing. Same thing, this one you can make to this format. Here will be a number, here will be a number, right? So this quadratic expression you can make to this format. Same thing, this format, this quadratic expression you can write in this format. So how to write this like that? Try to understand. That means basically we have bracket, square and a number, right? Like that. So how to convert this one into that? I will show you here doing something else here, right? I will show you some other numbers, and then after I will do here. Okay, this one I will write here x square. Then I will get like this way, what the plus 8x and here 10, right? Here 10. This is a quadratic expression now, right? Let's see, try to make this one. Now don't think why we do this like that, but just this is like a procedure. Remember, later you will understand. I will explain this thing with the details why we do this way later. Now I will tell how to do, just only procedure, right? Here this one, that means here x square, now we have here must have x square, something square here actually. Then what the this letter we have same here with the value coefficient here 8. This number divide by 2, 8 divide by 2. So what the answer? 8 divided by 2 mean 4, no? 8, I don't need to show it. 8 divided by 2 mean 4. Get 4 square. 4 square mean 16 plus 16, no? So we will write like this way. X square 8x, and we keep this number a little bit away. Now when you divide this number by 2, 4 square means 16 plus 16. So we write here plus 16, and you can't put extra terms to this, no? If you put here plus 16, you must put here minus 16. Then this both together will be 0. That means you not add anything to here. It's like that. So here plus 10 you can write here. That's the thing. This is like a kind of technique we use to make to complete in square method into that way, into that format, right? Here what I did, again I will tell, not the x square here coefficient, just x to the power 1, x, just x. Here this number I will divide by 2, that means 4. In this case here 4 square, get the square of 4, that means 16 plus 16. So we write first term, second term normally, and then what that number we got when you divide this one by 2 and get the square of that, that means plus 16. We put here plus 16, and to eliminate it, cancel out, we put here minus 16 like this way, and then we write this number here. Okay, now okay, that's the first step. Then again, next step also you need to remember manually. This, I mean, maybe you have no sense why we doing this, but this is like a procedure, remember. Now what we will do like this way. This one is square, we will get this term is square, x square. Now we have square root, we get, sorry, here we get square root x square. Here we have x square root mean what the just square to square root cut x, and here in this term there's no anything, just put that sign, but the sign we have here plus, no? So I will put plus here. Then get this one square root, we know already now, 16 we got like that, so square no something, that means 4. So here square root of 16 mean again 4, so I need to put 4. So very simple. Then close the bracket and put the square, and then after get the final answer for these two. But here we have minus 16 and plus 10. So what the answer? When you have this type of situation, we put the bigger one sign and get the difference of these two. That means 6. Okay, now we make to this kind of format, right? Try to understand. This is like a procedure. Later I will tell you why we can do this way. But anyway, remember this same expression you can write like this way. If you simplify this, right, you know how to simplify this type of brackets, simplify, and then you can get again this thing, same this term. That means basic idea, this kind of expression you can write like this way, right? So I will do another one to show you this thing, right? Yeah, if I get like this way, okay, here x square, right, minus 10x, and I will get here plus 5, right, here with the minus thing. Right, now let's see, try to do this one. Here also same procedure, try to understand. This one divide by 2, minus 10, no, here divide by 2, 10 divide by 2, okay, you can think with the sign also, minus 10 divide by 2, minus 5. Minus 5 square mean, minus 5 square mean minus 5 square, that means minus 5 into minus 5, so it will be plus 25, like that, right? Minus into minus plus 25. So here plus 25 we need to add here, right? So I will write like this way, x square minus 10x plus 25. To eliminate this, cancel out this, I will put minus 25 and plus 5, that means this term again we write here, and equal to 0. Now like we did earlier, get the square root of this, that means x square root x. What the sign of this middle term, that is minus, so I will put minus, and square root of this number we know already 5. So close the bracket and put a square. It's like that way, just a procedure. Then what the answer for these two? It will be minus 20, right? Minus 20. So equal 0. That's the way, that's the like a procedure. Remember, this kind of quadratic expression you can make to this way, in this format. If you simplify this, you can get this. Using this, you can make this. Now we learn how to make, when you have this way, how to make this format, right? If you simplify this, you will get again this. This is a very important format called complete in square. Okay, now let's go to our question. Now they ask to make this quadratic expression to this format, and then tell what the value a and b. Okay, let's try to do this. Here 6 divided by 2, that means 3. Get the square of that, that means 3 square mean 9, right? So plus 9, I will write here plus 9, and to eliminate here minus 9, here we have plus 10, right? This expression I need to make to this format, right? That's why they tell this one equal to this, right? This format, right? So I will try to make this part into this format, right? Okay, now here we know what to do. Get the square root of this, that means x. For the sign of middle one, it is plus. Here square root of 9 mean it is 3. Then put the bracket and square. Then what the answer for this two? What the answer for this two? Minus 9 plus 10. So it will be bigger one sign and get the difference. 10 minus 9 mean 1. Right, like that. So we make to this format. Now you can tell what the a and b. A equal plus 3, right? A equal plus 3 and b equal plus 1. That's the answer for a and b. Now you can see this is we make to same format like this here, right? And inside here bracket we have a, no, say here we got but 3, so that's why a must be equal to 3, and b, here for the b we get plus 1, so b equal plus 1. So that's the answer for that.